The SECUMAX 320 from MARTOR is the expert for cutting film, strapping bands and much more. The ergonomic anti-slip handle is suitable for both right and left-handers. The concealed blade means maximum protection for users. It has a non-sharp tape splitter. Packaged goods are also particularly well protected. When finished, keep safe. For best results, hold the strapping from above and cut at a 45-degree angle. For film, apply from above and keep the film under tension. Guide the knife head parallel to the cutting material. To use the tape splitter, just turn the handle around. Pierce and score. You have the flexibility to change hands whenever required. Again, pierce and score. With a splitting depth of 5 mm, you will not get in contact with your products. The SECUMAX 320 is a specialist for films of any kind. Tension the foil and hold the handle at a slight angle. Don't forget, never cut directly towards you. Again, create tension and hold the handle at a slight angle. You can cut paper effortlessly as well. Also felt, textiles and similar materials. The SECUMAX 320 has a cutting depth of 4 mm. The blade has 4 cutting edges and can be turned several times. Open the handle using the blade change button and pull out the blade holder. Lift the blade cover and use the finger hole to remove the blade. Turn it and replace it exactly on the location lobe. Use the edge for orientation. At the same time, you can turn the tape splitter and reduce the splitting depth from 5 to 3.5 mm. Close everything again and let the blade change button audibly snap into place. When the blade is worn down, insert a new one. For that, open the handle and the cover. Important: change the blade in good time and dispose of it immediately, preferably in the used blade container. As replacements, only use MARTOR blades. The magnet provides additional hold when you place the blade exactly on the location lobe. Close the blade holder and let it snap into place. To clean the knife, remove the blade and place it down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. Reinsert the blade, close everything, and keep safely. Feel free to use our other media as well, for example, our safety poster, and follow the instructions in the user manual.